Manmohan Singh, that you are, and all other ministers who are with him, that you are in constitution from many years, but we have never seen any action against corruption. It is just increasing every day. You might not be suffering because of this. We common people suffer because of this, and just want to tell you that today we are suffering. We will not allow you to suffer our child because of this.
Corruption! No!
One man is against you, and he is not alone. Anna Hazare is not alone, and we all are here to support him. We just know what is Lokpal Bill. We have just gone through each and every point of Jan Lokpal Bill, and we totally trust this bill, and we agree that yes, this should be in the constitution.
In the heart we all support him, but हम लोग नहीं चाहते. And that was so casual. And I guess for most of us, if we speak to our parents, a middle class, upper middle class, for us we take things so indifferently. We know there is a corruption in the system. We know things are bad. We know how things are, but we just don't want. We think it's not going to work. We have lost hope. Anna Hazare is our only hope, and that is why we want everybody to come and join this movement now, and not after 1 month or 2 years or after 5 years you come and say that, see, there's so much corruption in the system, we cannot do this thing, we cannot do that thing. That day somebody is going to ask you, what did you do when there was a movement? Did you participate? Did you make your help? So today is the chance, today is our chance to participate in the movement, whatever we can do. So call your homes, ask your parents, at least whatever they can do, go join at least for 1 day. If everybody of us, parent or friends, they go at least for 1 day, we have 1.2 billion population, I'm sure we will make some impact to the government. They have to realize that it cannot just go forever.
I want to tell you, we all know what the situation is happening in the government, and with the coming of the Lokpal Bill. But I am sure that this Lokpal Bill will emerge as the right thing, and Anna Hazare would gather many much more support from the politicians. I want to warn people that for politicians who will come and support just because if they support the Anna Hazare's cause, they will become they will gain some brownie points. So I just want to warn just not all politicians who support Anna Hazare will everybody has to come through the basically be मेरिट फ्री.
फॉरेन हाइट में जब आप यहाँ पे आए हैं तो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि ना तो आप कैमरे के लिए आए हैं और ना ही आप पिकनिक के लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं. ये दिखाता है कि आप यहाँ पे आए हैं क्योंकि आप करप्शन के खिलाफ हैं. ये दिखाता है कि जब आप अपने बच्चों को लेके यहाँ पे आते हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि आप अन्ना हज़ारे के साथ में हैं. तो मेरा मैसेज यही रहेगा, मेरा संदेश यही रहेगा सबके लिए कि ये बस एक शुरुआत है. इसको ऐसा मत समझिए कि आप आज यहाँ पे आ गए हैं और आपका काम ख़त्म हो गया है. अन्ना हज़ारे पता नहीं अगले कितने दिनों तक वो अनशन करेंगे. हम सब के लिए भूखे रहेंगे, पूरे देश के लिए वो कुछ नहीं खाएंगे. ये हमारा फ़र्ज़ है कि हम आएँ इस तरह के आंदोलनों में. हमारा ये फ़र्ज़ है कि हम अगली बार फिर जहाँ मिले तो हम इस तरह से ही आएँ और लोगों को साथ लेके आएँ. That's all I want to say. Vande Mataram.
One of the instruments for democracy, why this hype to amend it? I say if we need to amend it, we need to. And second point is, this is not the India that our forefathers fought for. This is not the India they should have fought for. So if we are not met with our requirement for clean government and equal rights, I say go for the amendment. Why the fuss all about it? And the third thing I want to say, we are more organized now. We as in Indians, we are more focused now, and we are more empowered now because of all the technological revolution and the solidarity that we are putting in all these efforts. I say we will survive. Not only survive, we will be victorious. Yes. One day! One day!